In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use StockCharts Renko Chart. Renko charts are a powerful way to filter out noise and focus on meaningful price movement. Instead of plotting every tick over time, Renko builds a series of bricks that only appear when price moves a set amount. That makes trends and breakouts easier to see and helps you make cleaner decisions without getting distracted by minor day-to-day fluctuations. To get started, head to stockcharts.com/ACP for the advanced charting platform, or use the classic Sharp Charts interface if you prefer a simpler layout. Both paths will get you to the same Renko view, so choose whichever platform you're more comfortable with. Once the page loads, enter your ticker symbol in the search box. For example, you might type AAPL or any symbol you want to analyze. Press Enter, and your standard price chart will appear. If you're in ACP, look for the Chart Settings icon. It's typically a gear-shaped button near the chart area. Clicking this opens a panel with all of your visual controls. If you're using Sharp Charts, open the Chart Attributes panel. This panel manages the main appearance of your chart, and it's where you'll find options that affect how price is displayed. Inside those settings, locate the control labeled Chart Style or Chart Type. The exact wording can vary slightly between ACP and Sharp Charts, but it refers to the same thing: the format of your price plot. Open the Style dropdown and select Renko. As soon as you choose it, your chart will redraw into a sequence of uniform bricks that step upward or downward based on price movement. Here's what you're seeing. Each Renko brick represents a fixed move in price, not a period of time. If price doesn't move enough to form a new brick, nothing is added, which is why Renko charts can look cleaner than traditional candlesticks. Long runs of same-colored bricks often signal persistent trends, while a change in brick direction can highlight a potential shift. You'll also notice that horizontal levels where bricks repeatedly turn can act as clear support or resistance zones. Keep in mind, Renko won't show intra-period volatility, and it sacrifices time detail in favor of clarity. That's by design. Many traders use Renko to confirm trend direction or to simplify entries and exits. If you ever need more nuance, you can compare the Renko view with a standard candlestick chart or add indicators in separate workflows. And that's it. Open ACP or Sharp Charts, enter your symbol, open the Settings or Attributes panel, find Chart Style or Chart Type, and choose Renko. You're ready to analyze with a clearer lens.